A very warm welcome to my 26 days YouTube domination course. It's me Ganesh Joshi, your host for 26 days YouTube marketing course. This course is going to be the most in-depth course on the planet for YouTube marketing course. This is our first module. In this module, we're gonna have 10,000 feet overview of 26 days YouTube domination course. We're gonna cover these all essential and specialization and mastery level to the advertising level. Okay, so first we'll start with the what is YouTube, guys. This is only just 10,000 feet overview of the 26 days YouTube domination course. So what all module, what all topics we gonna cover in this course. We are having the overview only. So we'll cover in this course what is YouTube, what is YouTube Red, why YouTube is important, how to choose niche, how to choose channel name, overview of YouTube Studio, and in the specialization one we'll cover design your channel strategy. How to design your channel strategy means you want to grow your YouTube channel, so how to create a strategy to grow your YouTube channel will cover in this particular course. And YouTube policies and guideline for creator, setting goals and expectation, how to set goals and how to set goals for your content and what all you expect from your users. Will set it, and capable of optimizing YouTube titles, tags, description, and thumbnail. Guys, if you wanna rank your YouTube videos, then you need to understand first how to optimize YouTube title, tags, description, and thumbnail. And we'll cover on this particular course introduction to each and every YouTube element. So each and every element means you gonna see each and every topic of optimization for the YouTube. So and we'll cover what's trending these days. So we'll get to know what all keywords are ranking nowadays, which, like, if you want to nowadays the corona is going on. Okay, nowadays the corona is going on. So if you create a content for corona keyword, then you will get a very good amount of views, very good amount of watch time, and the most of people will subscribe you because you are heading on the trending content. Okay, so we'll cover it. And specialization, in specialization to what we all will cover on it. Was the perfect video length for best result, quality vs quantity uploads, creating an effective channel trailer, simple trick to awesome thumbnail. Thumbnail is the, understand, thumbnail is the king of YouTube videos. If you'll create a awesome thumbnail, you will get clicked by user very quickly. Okay, and maximizing the use of social media network, and we'll cover it on it. And YouTube scheduling, secret mistakes people make when you will schedule YouTube video. The maximum people makes mistakes. Okay, so we'll cover it. And the specialization 3 will have YouTube Creator Studio introduction. Live streaming, guys, listen. Live streaming is the very powerful tool. Okay, it's it's ultimate. Live streaming means you will get very good amount of watch time, and we'll cover it very very deeply about the live streaming. and efficiency engaging with community via comments. And we'll cover how to engage with your user via this thing, comments, and how to handle negative comments and how to handle positive comments. We'll cover it brief look at copyright tool, and we'll see copyright tool, what is the copyright tool and how to understand it. Okay, and the secret of monetization, the guys, monetization. You are creating a content only just because of money. Okay, so you need the monetization. So if you will monetize your YouTube channel, then only you will get paid by YouTube. Okay, so we'll cover it. Getting a custom YouTube channel URL. Custom YouTube channel URL means your channel name will be your channel URL. Okay, like youtube.com/ your channel name. Like my channel name is SAC Webtech, then I'll get a custom channel URL. It means youtube.com/ SAC Webtech. Okay, and how to create an effective end screen means on the before ending the video, you you see around 4 5 or 2 1 a video suggestion, that is the end screen. Okay, and we'll see how to create an effective cards. You see right top. Okay, there is a I button that shows a video link. Okay, that is the card. So we'll see how to create that. Specialization for, will cover best practices for video creation. Okay, and we'll cover on it best practice for video editing before upload and after upload, how to set upload default for videos. Okay, how to set upload defaults for videos means you are uploading a video right now, but you have set titles, tags, description in the channel setting. Okay, channel setting, no need to upload right now. That will be permanent defaults. Each and every video will get that default title, tags, description. Okay, types of video you can create on YouTube. Will teach types of video you can create on YouTube means what all different types of videos you can create on YouTube, and how you can get benefited from these videos, and which category is the best category for right now. Okay, and the best practice to set watermark on your every videos. Guys, listen, if you set your watermark on your videos, every videos, then nobody will steal your video, because your every video has a watermark on the right side, left side, wherever you want to put it. Okay, we'll see, I'll talk about it later on, how to put that and how to create that. Okay, and secret of YouTube monetization. We have already talked about it, the secret of YouTube monetization. Okay, and in specialization 5, we'll talk about utilizing YouTube analytics to maximize result. Analytics is the tool which you can see each and every step of users on your YouTube channel. Either the user is watching video, you can see live and past. Okay, you have a record. YouTube had a record for the past and present. You can check the how many people are watching your videos right now, and how much time the user are watching your videos, and mm, after watching video the user has subscribed your channel or not. You can see each and everything. Find out when your viewers are on YouTube. We'll see about it. Best time and days to deliver content, we'll talk about it. Okay, YouTube mastery, guys, this course is in-depth of YouTube marketing course. You'll never find such content. Okay, so we are talking about YouTube mastery. expert level thumbnail tips with pro. Okay, someone stealing your content, all about copyright. We'll talk about it. How the YouTube algorithm currently work. It means you want your videos on top of the page. It means you want to rank your videos, but it's all depend on algorithm of YouTube. It works based on algorithm only. So we'll talk about it. Simple trick to increase search ranking. I'll tell you all about and how to increase search ranking. Okay, and how to get high paying brand sponsored. How to get high paying brand sponsored. You want money, so it means you want sponsored for your videos. I'll teach you how to get that high paying brand sponsors. Finally, we are on advertising part. I'll teach you creating account on Google Ads, how to set up account, okay, video ads policies, video ads charge for what, on what basis the Google charge for video ads. Okay, video ads format. There are lots of format for video ads. How to create video campaign, how to set video ads bid strategy, and which bid strategy is better fits for video ads. Will will cover each and every topic. How to optimize campaign and how to check Google recommendation, guys. So guys, that's it for now, and see you. Bye bye. Okay.